In our increasingly digital world, trust is more important than ever. We rely on countless transactions and interactions online, from banking and shopping to communicating and sharing information. Blockchain technology emerges as a revolutionary force, promising to reshape the way we establish and maintain trust in the digital realm. Often described as the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, blockchain's potential extends far beyond digital currencies. Imagine a system where information is recorded securely, transparently, and immutably. This is the essence of blockchain, a distributed, decentralized ledger that maintains a continuously growing list of records called blocks. These blocks are linked and secured using cryptography, making it virtually impossible to tamper with the data stored within them. This inherent security and transparency make blockchain a game changer across various industries and sectors. This essay will delve into the intricacies of blockchain technology, exploring its underlying principles, mechanisms, and real-world applications. We will uncover the benefits of blockchain, such as enhanced security, increased transparency, and reduced costs, while also examining its potential to transform industries ranging from finance and supply chain management to healthcare and government. Join us as we unlock the future with blockchain technology. A blockchain is a digital ledger, a record of transactions. Unlike traditional ledgers, a blockchain is distributed across a network of computers. No single entity controls the information stored on the blockchain. Each transaction is recorded as a new block and added to the chain. Blocks are linked chronologically and cryptographically, forming the blockchain. Cryptography enhances the security and integrity of the blockchain. To understand how a blockchain operates, we need to delve into the roles of its key components: nodes, miners, and blocks. Nodes are the individual computers that make up the blockchain network. Each node maintains a copy of the entire blockchain and plays a crucial role in verifying and validating transactions. When a new transaction occurs, it is broadcast to the entire network of nodes. Miners, special nodes with enhanced computational power, compete to add the next block to the chain. They do this by solving complex cryptographic puzzles that require significant computational effort. The first miner to solve the puzzle gets to add their block to the blockchain and is rewarded with cryptocurrency or transaction fees. This process is known as mining. Once a block is added to the blockchain, it becomes a permanent part of the ledger. The decentralized and distributed nature of the network, combined with cryptographic security, ensures that the information stored on the blockchain is tamper-proof and trustworthy. This foundation of trust underpins the various applications and benefits of blockchain technology. Section 4. Blockchain in action, from cryptocurrencies to supply chains. While blockchain gained initial recognition as the technology underpinning cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, its applications extend far beyond the realm of digital currencies. Industries worldwide are exploring and implementing blockchain solutions to enhance efficiency, transparency, and security in their operations. One prominent example is supply chain management. By tracking the movement of goods throughout the supply chain, blockchain can provide real-time visibility, reduce fraud, and improve efficiency. For instance, a blockchain-powered system can track the journey of a food product from farm to table, recording every step of the process and ensuring the authenticity and origin of the product. Another promising application is in the healthcare industry. Blockchain can be used to securely store and share electronic health records, giving patients more control over their medical information and facilitating seamless data exchange between healthcare providers. This can improve care coordination, reduce errors, and empower patients with greater ownership over their health data. Section 5. The power of blockchain: transparency, security, and efficiency. The benefits of blockchain technology stem from its fundamental characteristics: transparency, security, and efficiency. The transparent nature of blockchain allows all participants in the network to view the same information, fostering trust and accountability. Transactions are recorded on the blockchain in a public and verifiable manner, making it difficult to hide or manipulate data. Security is paramount in today's digital landscape, and blockchain offers robust protection against fraud and unauthorized access. The use of cryptography ensures that data stored on the blockchain is tamper-proof. Additionally, the decentralized nature of the network makes it extremely difficult for hackers to compromise the system, as they would need to attack a vast number of distributed nodes simultaneously. Blockchain can also streamline processes and reduce costs by automating tasks and eliminating intermediaries. For example, in financial transactions, blockchain can facilitate faster and cheaper cross-border payments by removing the need for intermediaries like banks. This efficiency can lead to significant cost savings and increased speed in various industries. Section 6. Blockchain's potential transforming industries and societies. The potential applications of blockchain technology extend far beyond the examples mentioned earlier. As the technology matures and gains wider adoption, we can expect to see blockchain transforming industries and societies in profound ways. In governance, blockchain can enhance transparency and accountability by creating tamper-proof records of votes, land registries, and other official documents. This can reduce corruption, increase trust in government institutions, and empower citizens with greater access to information. The creative industries can leverage blockchain to protect intellectual property rights and ensure fair compensation for artists and creators. By creating a transparent and secure platform for tracking ownership and distribution of digital content, blockchain can revolutionize the music, film, and publishing industries. Moreover, blockchain can facilitate new forms of identity management, enabling individuals to control their own digital identities and securely share information with trusted parties. This can streamline KYC processes, enhance privacy, and empower individuals in the digital realm. Section 7. Conclusion. Embracing the blockchain revolution. Blockchain's transformative potential is undeniable. It provides a secure, transparent platform for recording and verifying information. Challenges like scalability and regulation remain. Innovation and real-world applications show blockchain is here to stay. Collaboration from governments, businesses, and individuals is key. Embrace blockchain to create a secure, transparent future.